Opening WhatsApp without a phone number is not possible in the traditional sense because the app relies on a valid phone number for registration and verification. So, when setting up WhatsApp for the first time, the app requires you to provide a phone number to verify your identity, ensuring that you are a legitimate user. This number is used to send SMS or phone calls with a verification code, which must be entered to complete the setup. However, there are a few alternatives if you need to use WhatsApp without a personal number. Option, Option 1 is to use a temporary or virtual phone. These can be obtained through various online services that provide disposable numbers for verification purposes. You can enter this virtual number during the registration process to receive the verification code. So, another way is to use a secondary SIM card, if available, to register WhatsApp on your device. This allows you to use WhatsApp on one number while keeping your personal number private. It's important to note that using virtual numbers or temporary services can have limitations. They may not be as reliable for long term use, and some services might not support WhatsApp's verification process. So, always ensure that the method that you choose complies with WhatsApp's terms of service.